No, like this.
I know, I'm just turn that way.
Don't move too much. It's literally here. There's a few steps. Because if you mop, it's going to wobble a lot.
Hey, you're not really gonna eat this, right?
No.
Okay, but we're gonna pretend it's your food, okay? Okay. Then
What do I do?
you're gonna cook.
Ding ding. Yummy yum. Yum.